Hey folks, thanks for tuning in to watch this video on how I'm going to take some old scraps I had from a leftover project or two and turn it into an end grain platter. And you also want to stick around for the end of the video because I have an announcement on how you can win a free cherry bowl that I will finish turning in another video at a later date. Thanks. Hey, thanks for tuning in today. This is certainly a great project. I thoroughly enjoyed taking some old scrap pieces, cut-offs from another project, putting them through a little process and ending up with a nice platter that we can use in the house for many years to come. This plate ended up being just under 14 inches or about 350 millimeters. And an announcement I'd like to make is in a previous video, I ended up roughing out a couple of cherry bowls I made from my neighbor's log. And I will be finishing this bowl and giving it to a subscriber who posts a comment in the future video. So if this is the roughed out part, but if you're interested in receiving this finished bowl, when I'm finally done with it, click on the subscribe button and you'll be notified when that video gets posted. Thanks for watching today. If you have any comments or questions, please write them below. If you enjoyed this video and of course want to see more like it, click on the thumbs up button. And if you're interested in, again, receiving this bowl for free when it's finished, click on the subscribe button and you'll be notified when that video is posted. Thanks.